Hello, my name is Matthew Zhao, and today I am presenting a multiplayer networking game written in C#, XNA Framework 4.0, and it uses peer-to-peer networking to allow two hosts to connect to each other. If I start this up, as you can see, this is the Games for Windows live screen. And I'm going to sign in as player 2. I'm going to sign in as player 2. And as you can see, this is the main menu screen. Now on my other user here, if I also press the same thing, and I use player 1, now as you can see, both users are available. So we are able to play. And as you can see, if I move the blade on one computer, it also moves on the other. And it's being updated. And then if I move the lightning bolt on this computer, it also updates on that one. I'm connected to a wireless LAN, and this is enough for me to use Games for Windows Live to connect these two computers together. And essentially the goal of this game is to avoid collisions. Otherwise it says game over, enter to switch players and play again, or escape to exit to game lobby. If I escape on this screen, and let's say I close it, this screen goes back, it updates, and now we are still waiting for a player. Thank you.